Hey guys, Stab in the Eye here. What I have for you today is a challenge lock sent to me by Tko5479. This just came in the mail and I just opened it up off camera quickly just to see what it's all about. This is called Tko3. I don't know if you can see that. This is the key. Lock it back up and okay, there you go. Alright, so I'm going to use a pry bar in 50 thousandths and a standard hook in 25 thousandths and see what it takes to get into this again. I have no idea what's actually in here, but the pins feel pretty nice. And then I'm curious about the springs. I don't know if it's... Here we are. So we are open. Curious to see what's inside. Alright, so I'm going to get the back off. Okay. I'll probably just lock it back up because that would be easier. Okay, got the C-clip off. And it feels kind of crunchy even just putting the key in, so I hope nothing's gonna shoot out of here, but we will see in a second here. Okay. Alright, the first pin kind of like spooled. Second pin is serrated. Third pin spooled. Fourth pin serrated, slight spool to it. Fifth pin spooled. Okay. Not seeing anything done to the chambers. Okay, first driver pin is standard. Second one is a spool. Third one is a double spool. Fourth one's a kind of like serrated something or other. Fifth one's kind of serrated. I'll take out the springs. Spring 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. I'm not seeing anything done to the chambers in here. And we'll get a close-up of the pinning. Alright, so this has been TKO's number 3 challenge lock. Thanks for checking it out, guys, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.